Come on, turtle, give me some movement. You're looking at a video from the Columbus Zoo and Aquarium exhibit, Reptile House. Date, August 19th, 2014. Oh. These things are black. I'm not sure what's going on. Hold on. Oh, my finger's in the way. My apologies for the blackness. Oh, it's the first time I've ever seen the turtle digging before. Reptile House, Columbus Zoo and Aquarium, August 19th, 2014. Turtle digging around. Seeing. Oh boy. Oh my. Is this a Komodo dragon? Look at the flapping. And I'm capturing it on film. This is so unreal. Oh wait, oh, that's interesting. The Mexican beaded lizard. So you're the Mexican beaded lizard, according to what the sign says. And you are the African pancake tortoise. Still no explanation as to why you're digging. Hey, Mikey. You saw any iguana? Iguana where? I think this is the Mexican bearded lizard. Spiny-tailed iguana, according to what the sign says. It says spiny-tailed iguana in case you can't see it.
Now that one swallows something.
Burmese python. Burmese python. Here's one right there. What?
What is this one?
That one's a snapping turtle. Alligator snapping turtle.
Actually, it looks like a dinosaur.
Mm-hmm.
Refraction of the water. What?
I want to see this one. Look at the alligator snapping turtle.
Where? They're swimming. What?
It looks like an alligator. Look at it. Look at his tail.
It's a tortoise.
Mm-hmm. No, but it said turtle. You think it's a bite. It's a mean bite.
Oh, you see that ugly face in it?
It's a mean bite.
Blastoise.
Oh, you see how the glasses is all, it makes it look like it's all the way.
For you Pokemon fans, this might strongly remind you of a Blastoise.
You want to see the face? Look at the face. So awesome.
Just turn it around.
Turn around. Oh, yeah. He loves the camera.
I want to see some ferocious animals actually snapping at you.
You're not going to have that. It'll have aggressive animals.
Yeah, too dangerous for the kids. Parents get worried. I think it's coming towards us.
Turtles are slow.
Whoa.
Look, he's trying to snap the rock.
Right, kid, do they eat rocks? I don't think so.
No. These are snapping turtles. They bite.
I think I caught it on tape. Well, not on tape, on recording. You know what I mean.
Did it just make that noise?
Mm-hmm. Look at it.
See, this is why I want to record stuff on video.
That's the one making
Even
that
when you
growling
said I
noise?
shouldn't.
Mm-hmm.
That's real.
Whoa, I think it likes my tablet. Snapping turtle.
Like the bite, it's going to snap at you. There you go. It's going to snap.
You like my tablet? It's brand new. I got it a few months ago. You're going to be a star. You're going to be seen all over the world.
Dang, you actually cut your nails.
Well, I have to eventually. I think it's staring at my tablet.
Or it's just kind of staring at you.
Well, it's got to be thick to protect the, you know.
So it won't
It
react.
snapped? That wasn't snapping? No. Oh, Daddy.
Hitting the glass trying to get him going.
Well, if it's standing still, I can just take a shot of it. Hold on.
They do.
I've never seen a snake in Jamaica. They don't.
Maybe you went to a part of Jamaica that didn't have garden snakes.
That's a common one. Look at that.
Mm-hmm.
Only you see in the deserts.
All these rattlesnakes here.
Apparently, this is called the Eastern Plains garter snake. Turn to the sign, which you will see up here. Radius. Eastern Plains garter snake right up there. You see it slithering around. Ekans, Slytherin House. Snivy. It's a viper. I could go on and on.
Come on. Quick picture, you got rattlesnake here. Take a picture of your rattlesnakes.
It's a rattlesnake?
Rattlesnake, I want right here.
Where's the rattle? Oh, wow. Look at that. This is a video recording by the...
There's no poisonous snakes here.
But it doesn't matter. A snake right is snake.
It's not poisonous.
Alligators right here. For alligator.
There's only two types of snake. You got constrictors and you got poisonous snake. Constrictors constrict.
And then next thing your kid is playing outside and get constricted by a snake.
Yeah. Anything a dog, your kid go outside and get bit by a dog.
I almost got bit by a dog.
You're looking at shots from the Columbus Zoo and Aquarium, August 19th, 2014. Exhibit birds, and lots of them. Actually, that's not the official name of the
Yeah,
exhibit.
they copy that, hear that?
As you can probably hear right now, there are a lot of whistling birds around here. The African gray parrot and the Lady Ruckus Turako, excuse me, Lady Ruckus Turako. The birds are you.
What?
Are you trying to speak their language?
You didn't even take my whistle. And he did.
I think so. Oh, look at that one. So hard to predict.
Damn, my whistling is
No,
bad.
those are eagles. Cacaw's eagles.
Let me see.
Yeah.
For real.